Distance does not affect intimate relation. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree with the view that distance does not affect the intimate relation. If a person whom we love and love much and lives far from us, he looks near to us. And if a person who hate and we do not love and hate and he looks very away and though he lives nearer
To us.
It said that in Bhojpuri, प्रीतम बसे पहाड़ पर का न्यारे के दूर दुश्मन बसे
द्वार
पर का लाभ को उसका दूर.
Word.
WORD.
Word. WEER. Head. HAD head. Head. Sir.
HEAD.
Words.
WORDS.
Asses.
ASSES.
Shape.
SHAPE.
Doge.
THOSE.
Flow.
FLOW.
Fire.
FIRE.
Quick.
QUICK.
Smell.
SMEL.
Light.
LIGST.
Night.
NIGST.
Purple.
PURPLE.
No, roots.
ROOTS.
String. STI.
STIRRING.
Scarf.
SEAR.
Rock.
ROCK.
Sleeping.
SLEEPING.
Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition given. I feel hands dash my hand.
On my.
Her hands were warm and damp dash the smell dash the roots.
On with.
With of. Damp with the smell or of roots. I hear a voice coming dash a rock.
From.
Her words will flow dash me.
Inside.
Someone is staring dash a sleeping fire dash night.
With.
From a sleeping fire at night.
At night.
As the flowing. I.
A purple scarf. The plastic shopping bag.
I. एक ही होगा ना. The purple scarf. Ear. A voice
A
coming
voice
from a
coming
rock.
from a rock.
Okay. Nose.
Smell of roots.
Tongue.
Tongue.
Roots.
Roots.
Skin.
Her
hands warm and damp.
Her hands damp on.
Her hands warm and damp. Okay. Translate into English. यदि मैं पक्षी होता तो आकाश में उड़ता.
If I were a bird, I would
fly in the sky. यदि मैं राजा होता तो प्रजा की खूब सेवा करता.
If I were a king, I would serve the people extensively.
यदि मैं संत होता तो शांति लाता, क्रांति नहीं.
If I were a saint, I would bring peace, not revolution.
यदि तुम भयावह करने की कोशिश की होती तो मैंने पुलिस को सूचित कर दिया होता.
If you tried to commit suicide, I would.
भयावह. अच्छा. If you had tried to commit suicide,
I would inform the police.
I would have informed the police. यदि उसने परिश्रम किया होता तो परीक्षा में सफल हो जाती.
If she had labored, if she succeeded.
She would have succeeded in the examination.
She would
Succeeded in the examination. यदि मैं वित्त मंत्री होता तो देश की आर्थिक स्थिति सुधार देती.
If
I were a finance
minister, I would improve the economic condition of country.
Economical condition of the country. यदि तुम प्रधानमंत्री होते तो गरीबों के हित में क्या करते?
If you were a
Prime Minister,
what would have you done for
the welfare of the poor? गरीब के लिए. यदि मैं इस विद्यालय के प्रधानाध्यापक होता तो छात्र परिषद का गठन करता.
If I were the headmaster
of this school,
I would have constituted student council.
स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल। यदि मेरे पास तुम्हारा पता होता तो मैं तुम्हें अवश्य पत्र लिखता।
If I had no your
None.
address, no
नॉन योर हैड
no
एड्रेस।
address, I would like
आई मस्ट हैव रिटन अ लेटर
I must have written a letter
To you.
to you.
ऑफ मी टू यू।